if you'd like to learn just a little bit more about fused glass, that's the art of glass fusing. Other people call it warm glass, or in fact any of the crafts that include and use glass, and even the history of glass. I'm putting together some videos that can help you with that. Now, these videos are not sort of long drawn out monologues of facts. They're going to be fun videos because I enjoy them, and I'm hoping you'll enjoy them. And I especially enjoy putting them together. Now, these are things, when I say fun videos, I mean things like little trivia videos that'll present you with a number of questions and multiple choice things, so it makes it a bit easier, and you can just work through them, see how much you know, and hopefully you'll learn something along the way. I'll also do other videos. Got an idea for things like a find a word video, or a jigsaw puzzle, not jigsaw puzzle, a crossword video. So a few ideas there. Want to hear from you about what you think about this, whether this is a good idea. I also want to hear whether you enjoy it. So the first one is to do with history, the history of glass. Just 5 questions, won't take you long. I'll stop rambling on, so let's get on with this. So how did you go? I'd love to know. Please put it in the comments section. Tell me how you went, and if you learnt anything. Hopefully there was something, at least one question in there that you didn't know the answer to. Whack it in the comments. Love to know. If you did like this, please hit that like button for me. Think about subscribing. That's all going to help me with the channel. I think there's a new hype button as well that YouTube have released not long ago. And I have memberships, so please think about all of those. It will help me a great deal. And you'll find some information about membership up here. Down here's the subscribe button. There's a suggested video for you. Till the next one, I'll say bye for now.